Are you searching for the best electric wheelchair of 2026 to improve mobility, comfort, and independence? From lightweight travel-friendly models to powerful all-terrain machines, today's electric wheelchairs offer incredible technology and performance. Stay tuned as we count down the top 5 best electric wheelchairs in 2026 and reveal the ultimate winner. Number 5. WHILL Model C2. Are you looking for an electric wheelchair that offers comfort, independence, and reliable mobility without compromise? Modern power wheelchairs have become smarter, lighter, and more capable than ever before. Whether you need a wheelchair for daily use, travel, outdoor adventures, or enhanced comfort, the latest models of 2026 provide impressive performance and innovative features. In this video, we explore the top 5 best electric wheelchairs in 2026 that stand out for their durability, battery life, maneuverability, and overall value. Starting our countdown is the Pride Jazzy Air 2. Known for its unique elevating seat system that allows users to raise their seating position while maintaining mobility. Next is the JBHD11, a lightweight and foldable electric wheelchair designed for travelers who need convenience and portability. Taking the third spot is the Robooter E80, a futuristic smart wheelchair featuring advanced controls, excellent stability, and modern styling. At number 2, we have the Magic Mobility XT4, an outstanding all-terrain power wheelchair built to tackle rough outdoor environments, trails, and uneven surfaces with confidence. Its powerful suspension and rugged design make it a favorite among adventure seekers. Claiming the number 1 position is the WHILL Model C2, one of the most advanced electric wheelchairs available today. It combines sleek design, exceptional maneuverability, smartphone connectivity, and outstanding comfort. Its ability to navigate tight indoor spaces while also performing well outdoors makes it an excellent all-around choice. Each wheelchair on this list offers unique advantages depending on your lifestyle, mobility needs, and budget. Watch until the end to discover which model is the perfect fit for you and learn about the key features that make these electric wheelchairs the best choices of 2026. Number 4. WHILL Model F. The WHILL Model F is designed for people who want a lightweight, foldable electric wheelchair that is easy to transport and travel with. Key buying factors for this model are portability, folding convenience, travel readiness, and maneuverability in tight spaces. The WHILL Model F stands out because it folds in less than 3 seconds with a single motion, making it one of the most convenient power wheelchairs for transportation and storage. It weighs under 24 kilograms without the battery, allowing many caregivers or family members to lift it into a vehicle more easily than traditional power chairs. The compact folded size also makes it practical for airplanes, trains, taxis, and everyday travel. Performance is impressive for a travel-focused wheelchair. It offers a driving range of approximately 20 kilometers, a top speed of around 6 kilometers per hour, and a tight turning radius that helps users navigate elevators, hallways, restaurants, and shopping centers with confidence. The airline-approved lithium-ion battery can fully recharge in about 5 hours. Another major advantage is the WHILL Smartphone app, which allows remote control via Bluetooth, drive mode customization, device monitoring, and locking features. Adjustable armrests, under-seat storage, automatic braking, and modern styling add to its premium feel. User feedback often praises the Model F for its portability and travel convenience. However, some owners note that the lack of suspension makes it less comfortable on rough terrain, uneven sidewalks, gravel paths, and steep outdoor environments compared to larger models like the WHILL C2. Overall, the WHILL Model F is one of the best travel electric wheelchairs of 2026. Especially for users who prioritize folding convenience, lightweight design, and easy transportation over heavy-duty outdoor performance. Number 3. Robooter E80. The Robooter E80 is one of the most innovative electric wheelchairs of 2026, combining lightweight portability, smart technology, and premium comfort in a sleek, modern design. Built for users who want greater independence and mobility, the E80 features a high-strength carbon fiber frame that keeps the wheelchair incredibly light while maintaining excellent durability. Its compact folding design makes it easy to store in a car trunk, transport during travel, or carry into tight spaces, making it an ideal choice for active lifestyles. Powered by efficient dual motors, the Robooter E80 delivers smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and reliable performance on a variety of surfaces. Whether you're navigating indoor hallways, shopping centers, airports, or outdoor sidewalks, the E80 provides a stable and comfortable ride. Its intelligent control system ensures precise maneuverability, allowing users to move confidently through crowded or narrow areas. Comfort is another area where the Robooter E80 shines. The ergonomic seating system is designed to support long periods of use, while the adjustable armrests and footrests help users find the perfect seating position. The wheelchair's advanced suspension system also helps reduce vibrations from uneven surfaces, providing a smoother and more enjoyable riding experience. One of the standout features of the E80 is its smart connectivity options. Users can access various settings and controls through a mobile app, making it easier to customize driving modes and monitor battery status. The long-lasting lithium battery offers excellent range on a single charge, giving users the freedom to travel farther without worrying about frequent recharging. Overall, the Robooter E80 is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a lightweight, technologically advanced, and travel-friendly electric wheelchair. With its premium build quality, intelligent features, comfortable design, and dependable performance, it stands out as one of the best electric wheelchairs available in 2026. Number 2. XSTO X12. The XSTO X12 is one of the most futuristic electric mobility devices of 2026. Designed to completely redefine freedom and accessibility for people with mobility challenges. Unlike traditional power wheelchairs, the X12 combines advanced robotics, artificial intelligence, and all-terrain engineering into one revolutionary machine. Built with a hybrid wheel and track system, this powerful mobility robot can climb stairs, handle rough outdoor terrain, cross obstacles, and maintain balance automatically, giving users a level of independence rarely seen in modern mobility technology. One of the biggest highlights of the XSTO X12 is its intelligent stair-climbing capability. Thanks to its dual-track crawler system and high-powered stabilization technology, the wheelchair can safely climb stairs with slopes up to 40 degrees while keeping the rider stable and secure. It also features advanced gyroscopic self-balancing technology that automatically adjusts posture and balance on uneven surfaces, ramps, grass, gravel, and steep roads. Whether indoors or outdoors, the X12 is designed to adapt automatically to changing environments for a smoother and safer ride. Performance is equally impressive. The X12 offers a top speed of up to 12 km per hour, a driving range of approximately 35 km, and a maximum load capacity of 136 kg. It can cross ditches, clear obstacles, and navigate difficult terrain that standard electric wheelchairs cannot handle. The chair also includes smart features like joystick control, remote operation, mobile app connectivity, intelligent power management, and automatic mode switching. Comfort and safety are also major priorities. The adjustable seating system, reclining functionality, anti-fatigue posture support, and weather-resistant design make it suitable for long daily use and outdoor adventures. Many mobility enthusiasts online describe the X12 as one of the most exciting wheelchair innovations in recent years because it combines accessibility with futuristic technology.